Okay, so straight carbon chains. There are three different types: alkane, alkene, and alkyne. Okay, alkene are hydrocarbons with single covalent bonds between its carbon atoms. So those four potential arms that each carbon has, and I'm sorry that my fingers don't kind of go out in all four directions, but they're only holding one hand between each carbon. Okay, alkenes, okay, they have a double bond, so carbons are holding two arms, and alkyne has a triple bond in there, so the carbons are holding three hands. Now, if you're confused about that, you do have some help for you in your data booklet, and that would be on page 9. So on page 9 here, you have some general formulas, classifications, example formula, and example name. So classification of the top three, you have alkane, alkene, and alkyne. The general formula here is saying that if I have a carbon with n, or like any sort of number of carbons, that if I have an alkane, I should have 2 times the number of carbons plus 2. That's how many hydrogens I should have. Okay, if I have an alkene, it would be just the number of carbons times 2. That's how many hydrogens I have. And then if it's an alkyne, I should have the number of carbons times 2 minus 2 will be the number of hydrogens in an alkyne, and we'll kind of explain as to why that is in a minute. So this is really going to help us out to remember. My other way that helps us out is these are alphabetical, A, E, Y. So A being 1, E being 2, Y being 3. That's going to help me out as to remember whether I have an alkane, an alkene, or an alkyne. But it is very easy to see here because in the example formula it does show single, double, and triple bonds.